Hey, the infamous Joel here. Yes, I do need a haircut. In this video, you're going to learn how to create bonuses for your affiliate marketing products. This is going to be part 2 of the affiliate marketing training that I'm putting together. If you missed part 1, I'm going to leave a link right up here, but wait till you get to the end of the video, please. In this video, you're going to learn the secret sauce that separates a super affiliate from a regular affiliate. I'm not only going to show you how to craft an affiliate bonus stack, but I'm going to show you resources where to get them. If you stay tuned to the rest of this video, you're going to understand how bonuses work, how to make the perfect bonuses, and how to separate yourself from the crowd as far as affiliate marketing, because there's tons of people out there doing it, right? So you want to be better, you want to be different. And if you want to get the best affiliate marketing training online, then click on the link in the description below and sign up for a free class. As always, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video to let YouTube know you want to see more stuff like this. With that being said, let's go. So the first thing you need to understand about being an affiliate is that you can't control the product or the service or anything that you're promoting. It is what it is. The only thing that you can do is you can add value to it. You have to create an offer. What is the difference between an offer and a product? If you stayed up late night any time in your life and you've seen those infomercials where they start stacking offers at the end of those infomercials, call 1-800 such and such right now and we'll throw in 2 free this, and we'll throw in fast shipping and a lifetime guarantee, and we'll do this and we'll do that. Those are offers. They've taken the product and now they've boosted the value of that product with a special offer. So your whole job as an affiliate is to come up with a banging offer, an offer that people just can't say no to. So as you can see, your real goal is to take the product right here on the right and increase the value of the product by making an offer around it, and therefore the cash in the pocket of the customer becomes much less valuable. It becomes much easier to just say yes. So the more you can stack this product with your own offers and bonuses, the easier it will be for that customer to say yes and hand over their cash. So how do you come up with a bonus package? How do you come up with an offer, you might be asking? Well, you can sit down and brainstorm. You can start thinking, okay, I have a product. This product, any product on earth, solves problems. That's what a product is made for. There's a problem and the product comes up with a solution for that problem. So it solves a problem with the green arrow, right? On the back end, now that a customer has a product, no matter what product it is, new problems occur. It creates new problems, and therefore your bonuses, your offer needs to solve those future problems. So now we're getting into the bonus stack. Now that you've brainstormed how I can solve their future problems, once they have this product in their hands, or once they have it on their computer, wherever they bought it, what would the problems be in their minds now that they have the product? You can create a visual bonus. It might be a video, might be a tutorial. You can create an auditory bonus. It might be something like an MP3, a recording. It might be a physical bonus. It might be a reward, a t-shirt, something that they get in the mail. And my favorite bonus of all is the done for you bonus, because most people are lazy, right? They don't want anything. They don't want to actually do anything. So if you could come up with a bonus package where you do all the work for the customer before they even buy the product, it's much easier to say yes, because people don't like to work. So if you've done all the work for them, they're going to hand over their cash right away. What you also need to do is you need to attach a value. You need to attach a number to your bonuses so that in the mind of the customer, they understand the value that they're getting. Well, what most affiliates do is they make up some arbitrary number that makes no sense to the actual bonus that they're giving. For example, you're giving a toothpick as a physical bonus, right? Now, anybody in the right mind knows that the toothpick is not going to be worth $997, but I see this mistake time and time again with affiliates. Come up with a realistic number for your bonuses. If you're not getting conversions, this is probably why. A good example would be a coach who may be a millionaire, who may be a super affiliate, and they say, look, I have a bonus package where I'm offering free coaching, and they can legitimately say that this is worth $10,000, and that's because they usually charge $10,000 for their coaching, but they're throwing it in for free with this bonus package. That makes sense. That's very believable. So the types of bonuses that you can use and give away are stuff like public domain. What is public domain? Public domain usually means books, but it's really any work of art that that's copyright has expired. The creator is like long dead. This thing came out hundreds of years ago. I don't know the exact laws in your country, but public domain just means it belongs to everybody now. There is no copyright holder. Anybody can use this thing and just give it away, sell it, do whatever they want to do. You can even change a public domain work to make it your own. Another one I like to use is called public label rights, or PLR for short. Now these are different types of information products, usually videos, books, all kinds of stuff, right? Software, where they give you the right to go ahead and change it or use it to give away. You usually either pay a price or they give it away to you for free. I actually have a link in the description below to a website that I really like to get your PLR products, and most of them are free on there. So it's a wonderful, wonderful website with thousands of PLR products. So if you're having trouble coming up with bonuses, then that is a good website to start with. But I never recommend using the PLR products as is. I always recommend changing them around and making them fit your own needs. Notice how I didn't cover done for you bonuses, and that's because in this next video, in the next part of this training series, I'm going to show you my favorite way to create done for you bonuses. In that same video, I'm going to show you an affiliate program that's my favorite affiliate program, where you will learn while you earn. They actually teach you affiliate marketing while you're making money in affiliate marketing. It's my favorite program by far. And in that next video, I'm going to show you a powerful system that automates your business. So if that video is done, it's going to be right up here in the corner. Check that out. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.